Hi, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about social media. We're going to keep it super high level, the one on one of starting out, leveraging social media for your real estate business, especially if you're a newer agent coming to my channel. I want to keep it super simple for you and high level, choosing the right platform, what are the type of content to make, especially if you're thinking of adding social media as a part of your marketing strategy. This is the video to watch. Before I dive right into that, I want to do a quick introduction. My name is Tharmila Rajasingam. I'm a real estate agent with eXp Realty Brokerage, and I'm also a CRM peer coach with Insight Real Estate. Thanks so much for coming to my channel, and you can click that subscribe button so we can stay connected together. I really appreciate it as well. And if you're looking to partner with me and work with me closely, all the information is in the description below, and I'm looking forward to getting connected and working together. Let's dive right into talking about social media. If you're wondering what social media is, it really is, a collection of online platform that allows us to connect, share, and interact with content. And sometimes these content can look like text messages, text, photos, videos, links, and it allows us to connect with people around the world. It allows us to build communities, allows us to promote our businesses and you know exchange informations and ideas in real time. And there are a couple of components to social media. So the network itself, which it could be platforms like Facebook or LinkedIn or X, or video sharing and photo sharing platforms like YouTube and TikTok, for example. And then there's the messaging app component to it, which can be seen in apps like WhatsApp or Messenger. And then there's also forums and community based platforms like Reddit. And you're probably wondering, what is the right platform for me and how do I choose the right platform? My recommendation always is that I rather have you be more active in the platform that you're leveraging rather than opening a bunch of different accounts and not posting on any of them. So it really depends on where your audiences are and what type of content you're comfortable with creating. If you're not loving the concept of getting in front of camera, you might not be want to be on YouTube. So choosing the right platform can be understanding what the platforms that are out there, what they can do, and then figuring out who you are as a brand and where are your audience and how would you like to connect with them through what content. So for example, Instagram, it's very visual, it's photo based, video based, and so you can do share information about community tours, market reports, so many different content about the real estate space in order to connect with your following and audience. Or you can leverage Facebook, where you can actually create longer form content and post. You can share blogs and news, etc. And LinkedIn allows you to connect and grow your network within the space, and a lot of other people that could potentially become a buyer or a seller, etc., from people that you already know or people you've yet to meet, and generate those leads also. And then, or you can leverage platforms like YouTube, which is video marketing. And of course, video marketing, there you can create a ton of different content, from everything from community tours, property tours, to things about like market report, or even content about attractions and specific to your market, about the type of attraction or type of lifestyle that people that might want to move into that neighborhood might want to experience. And then there's also TikTok, where this is really content you can post that are quick, engaging video and trends usually that you get to see on TikTok. So the most component important you know strategy with leveraging social media and allowing you to build your brand on social media and maintain that online presence is consistency and posting content that are within the same framework that your audience are looking forward to seeing. So consistency and frequency are so important. That's why content management, so creating the right content and messaging to reach the people that are following you, that are yet to follow you, are so important. So who are you trying to bring onto your channel so that they can stay tuned in? And you can leverage keywords and hashtags in a way to do that. So looking up, what are the audience, or the people that I'm looking to attract, what is the type of content that they're looking at, and how could I best help them in this process of of helping them with achieving their real estate goals, for example. And there are a lot of other components to social media as well. You can leverage ads in order to generate leads, etc. And then the whole building your brand awareness component to it as well. And like I mentioned, I wanted to keep this high level, but if you want me to dive a little deeper in, I highly recommend you look up my social media playlist where I dive into a number of different strategies from type of content to make exactly what to post on social media. I highly recommend you check that out. And if you have any questions about it, I also have a platform, a content social media content platform that my business partner and I created called kvCORE. It is a free platform that is given to every agent that partners with us. And this is pretty much social media done for you. And I used to manage over 12 social media accounts when I worked for the government and when I went into the private sector working for a number of different brands. This is my forte, and creating content is second nature to me. And I want to be able to help a lot of other agents out. So we came together to create this amazing platform from strategies that and with content, with visuals that are done for you, with an integration of Canva. Now that EXP has rolled out this partnership with Canva, where we have the pro account for every agent paid for by the brokerage. So this is a huge opportunity for everyone to leverage this. And if you want more information about it, book a call with me. The info is in the description below. I hope this video was helpful in helping you understand kind of the basics of social media. And if you want me to, like I mentioned, dive a little bit deeper into allowing you to help create content, let me know. I'll be able to create more videos for you. Let me know in the chat box below. I'll see you next time.